गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है। सो फाइनली जैसा कि आज आपने टाइटल में पढ़ा होगा, और मैं और शामली हम दोनों जा रहे हैं बफलो सिटी। सो वी आर गोइंग टू द बफलो सिटी टू सी द मैजिकल एंड वंडरफुल नियाग्रा फॉल्स। शामली, आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yes. Yes.
नाइस। सो एज यू कैन सी,
एक्चुअली अभी मॉर्निंग है तो थोड़ा अभी लो लो लग रहा है, बट टाइम के साथ और एक्साइटमेंट ऑलरेडी जस्ट
yes. So finally we are going to the Buffalo City, and then you can take a guess if we are going to the Buffalo City. So what is going to be our next city then? So keeping that in mind, now we are currently at the Atlanta airport, as you can see. So it's a beautiful morning. Right now we are reached at our boarding gate. It's B2, and as you can see, it's within the Buffalo City. So we are going there, and right now we are currently waiting. So our flight is going to depart at 9 o'clock in the morning. Currently it's 7 a.m. So we have still 2 hours to go. So me and Shamli, we both are thinking that we should just roam around and look the current terminal we are at, and let's see what else the terminal have for us to shopping.
आई एम वेटिंग टू ईट गरम गरम पराठा.
Right. Okay then. So guys, we are going to board the flight in a while, and till then we are going to be with you, and we hope that you also stay with us and enjoy our series of Buffalo. And next city for you is, you have to guess, if we are going to Buffalo, then what could be the next city we are going to cover in this trip. So Shamli, yes.
It's our first, you can say after marriage, it's our first trip, international trip together.
Yes. So we are going to make sure that this trip stays the most memorable trip of our life, and it is going to stay, isn't it, Shamli?
ठंडी बहुत है.
Yes. Right now, currently at the Buffalo City, it's going to be the snowfall. So the current temperature probably today morning would be -8, -9, I guess. So yes, we are fully prepared with all the winter equipments we will be needing in the Buffalo City. So let's see that how it is going to be, how harsh snowfall it is going to be. So that we are going to find out when we reach to the Buffalo. So stay with us and enjoy the journey. Let's go. So we have boarded the flight right now, and currently we are going to Buffalo. So Shamli, are you excited? Nice, nice. So yes, this is my first time in the Delta Airlines. This is the first domestic travel I'm doing in United States. So we are going to Buffalo City, and let me show you.
I want to ask your experience, like how you are feeling like.
Of course, I am feeling really, really great. When I say
Really
great, really great, and I'm really happy that I'm traveling first time with my wife in abroad city, and I am here because of Shamli. So I'm also very thankful because of her I'm here, and we are traveling together. So guys, let's enjoy. So stay with us. We'll see you in Buffalo. there. Snowing outside.
Yay! So guys, we have reached to our room in Buffalo City. और जैसा कि आपने टाइटल में पढ़ा है और जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, this is our room और वो रहे हैं पीछे snowfall. So we are in the Buffalo City और आज हम जा रहे हैं घूमने नाइग्रा फॉल्स. देख रहे हो आप कितनी स्नोफॉल देख रहे हो? Hello guys, so me and Shamli finally we did our checklist completely. So we are our bucket list. So we are in Buffalo, the Niagara City. We are at Niagara Falls. So behind you can see we are standing in United States, and in front of us, which is this, you can see behind is Niagara Falls, and the buildings you are seeing back is actually the Canada. So yeah, we are just Niagara Falls is the borderline of between the two countries, USA and Canada. It's so freaking cold that, as you can see in my eyes, you know, it's getting, you know. So let me show you. You just enjoy the views. I think I feel like I am in the Lapland, you know, feeling like, you know, I am in Europe or something. However, I am in United States with Shamli. As you can see, she is walking. So this is as you can see, this is the prospect point behind us.
So this
So
is the
as
night
you
view
can
of
see,
Niagara Fall from US side. It's too cold here.
yes,
मन नहीं हो रहा था बाहर आने का, but फिर भी to see this view we came outside from our hotel. यहाँ
yes,
पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्नो पड़ी है और अभी भी कनाडा में स्नो हो रही है. तो यूएस में भी काफ़ी मतलब दैट वेव इज़ कमिंग हेयर एंड यहाँ पे भी स्नोफॉल अभी हो ही रहा है. फिलहाल हम गीले हो चुके हैं.
yes.
So
So this is a wonderful view, and we waited throughout the day to watch this scene. So I want all of you to enjoy with us. Like I told you, join with us and enjoy our journey. So this is the Niagara Falls behind us, and if you can see there, so this is the Niagara River going, as you can see. So this Niagara River, right now at the point where we are standing, it is United States of America, and there you can see across the river is Canada. So we are so close to see the Canada.
yeah, we will show you the morning clips also. Like we will come in morning to tomorrow also. So
Yes.
we will show you the scene again. But
Yes.
it's light show in the night, so that's why we came here to see that waterfall with this light.
Yes.
So here is the view.
Yes. Hey guys, so we are here in the top left corner और सामने आप हमारे देख रहे हैं नाइग्रा रिवर और ये है सुंदर सी सामने नाइग्रा फॉल्स और फॉल्स के सामने जो वहाँ पे बिल्डिंग्स देख रहे हैं वो है कनाडा. So let's go a little bit closer and let me make you enjoy the beautiful Niagara River and the falls from United States of America in the winters. Yes. See this view, amazing view, magnificent, so beautiful. कल हम आपको ये अच्छे से इसलिए नहीं दिखा पाए थे क्योंकि कल रात भी थी और एट द सेम टाइम बहुत फॉग था. बट एंजॉय दिस व्यू. We are in Hard Rock Cafe in Buffalo City, near to the Niagara Falls. So we are liking it and we are enjoying it. Just take a look.
क्योंकि कल हमें बिल्कुल खाना नहीं मिला था एंड बर्फ़ की वजह से यहाँ पे सब कुछ बंद था एंड टुडे वी गॉट हार्ड रॉक कैफे ओपन सो वी थॉट लेट्स टू ट्राई. So yeah guys.
Hello guys, so we are back and I hope you have enjoyed our journey in Buffalo, Niagara Falls. It's going to be amazing. I hope you have enjoyed our journey so far with us. So stay with us and from tomorrow we are going to show you the New York City, the much